Welcome to 10 Facts. Today we're venturing into the future to explore how artificial intelligence is set to revolutionize our daily lives. Join us as we unveil 10 predictions about the transformative impact of AI on various aspects of our future. Fact 1. Autonomous vehicles everywhere. Imagine a world where traffic accidents are rare, and your car drives itself. Autonomous vehicles are expected to become a common sight on roads by the end of this decade. We'll dive deeper into the technologies powering these vehicles, like LiDAR and machine learning algorithms that process sensor data to make real-time decisions. This transformation is expected to decrease traffic accidents, redefine urban mobility, and significantly alter industries like logistics and city planning. Autonomous vehicles will also impact daily commutes, city layouts, and even car ownership models, as shared autonomous fleets become more prevalent. Fact 2. AI in healthcare. AI's integration into healthcare promises to be a game changer. From robot-assisted surgeries that offer precision beyond human capability to AI diagnostics that predict health issues before they manifest, AI is set to enhance the quality of care. We'll examine breakthroughs in AI's role in predictive healthcare, remote patient monitoring, and even mental health, where chatbots provide support and therapy. Moreover, AI's role in public health, such as managing disease outbreaks through pattern recognition and data analysis, illustrates its potential to save lives on a global scale. AI can also personalize treatment plans based on genetic information, leading to better patient outcomes and potentially curing diseases once considered incurable. Fact 3. AI-driven education. AI's potential to democratize education by offering personalized learning experiences at scale will be explored. Education will become more personalized and accessible thanks to AI. It will adapt to individual learning styles and pace, making learning more effective for students around the globe. Imagine AI tutors that adapt to a student's learning pace, style, and struggles, making education more effective and accessible worldwide. AI can help teachers by automating administrative tasks, allowing them to focus more on teaching. We'll examine its implications for disadvantaged regions and its ability to offer lifelong learning opportunities, reducing educational disparities. Fact 4. Quantum AI. Quantum computing promises to exponentially increase AI's problem-solving capabilities. Quantum computing's integration with AI could lead to unprecedented computing power, enabling us to solve problems that currently seem insurmountable. We will delve into how quantum AI could revolutionize fields like cryptography, drug discovery, and traffic system management by processing information at speeds unimaginable with today's technology. Quantum AI could fundamentally alter industries by allowing for the simulation of complex molecular structures, potentially leading to the discovery of new materials and drugs. Fact 5. AI in agriculture. AI will revolutionize agriculture by improving crop yields and reducing waste through advanced data analysis. AI's impact on agriculture will be profound. By utilizing AI for real-time monitoring and data analysis, farmers can make quicker, more informed decisions about when to plant, water, and harvest. This segment will cover how AI is set to increase crop yields, reduce waste, and usher in a new era of farming that's more efficient and sustainable. Delving into the specifics of how AI optimizes the supply chain from farm to table, reducing waste, and improving efficiency. We'll discuss how AI-driven technologies such as drones and automated systems are already making farming more efficient and environmentally friendly. Fact 6. Ethical AI. The development of ethical AI will be prioritized to ensure AI technologies are used responsibly and for the benefit of humanity, addressing issues like privacy and bias. As AI technologies take on more autonomous roles, ethical considerations are paramount. We'll tackle the tough questions about AI governance, such as who is responsible when AI makes a mistake, and how societies can manage AI development to avoid exacerbating inequalities. We'll delve into the global efforts to create ethical AI frameworks that address critical issues like bias, accountability, and transparency. International efforts and regulatory frameworks will be crucial in guiding the responsible deployment of AI technologies. The role of international collaborations in setting global standards will also be discussed. Fact 7. AI in environmental protection. AI will also play a critical role in environmental conservation. AI will play a crucial role in combating climate change optimizing energy use and protecting biodiversity, helping us preserve our planet for future generations. We'll explore how AI helps scientists monitor climate change, manage natural resources more efficiently, and protect biodiversity. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of environmental data can lead to more effective responses to global warming and pollution. AI's role in sustainable practices will be highlighted, showing how AI helps in predictive weather modeling, assessing pollution levels, and even in wildlife conservation by tracking animal populations and predicting poaching threats. Fact 8. AI-powered governments. AI is set to transform government operations through enhanced public service delivery and infrastructure management. AI will enhance the efficiency of government services, from traffic management to healthcare delivery, improving transparency and accountability in public administration. From improving public safety through predictive policing to enhancing public service delivery, AI's integration into government services promises higher efficiency and better governance. We'll provide examples of AI in action from smart cities around the world and discuss the potential risks and rewards of these technologies. Discuss the potential for AI to transform civic engagement, streamline governmental processes, and the considerations needed to protect citizens' privacy and rights. Fact 9. AI and art. AI is set to blur the lines between human and machine creativity. AI is stepping into the art world, challenging our ideas of creativity and artistic creation. AI will collaborate with artists to create new forms of art and music, challenging our concepts of creativity and artistic authorship. We'll discuss the ethical implications and public perception of AI-generated art, considering whether AI can truly be creative, or if it is simply mimicking human creativity. Let's explore these creative collaborations. We'll showcase examples of AI in the arts, including AI-created paintings and music compositions, and discuss the implications for the nature of creativity and artistic expression. The conversation will include perspectives from artists and the public. Fact 10. AI and the job market. Finally, we'll tackle AI's impact on the job market. AI will change the job landscape but also create new opportunities. While AI will automate certain tasks, it will also create new jobs and demand new skills. We'll discuss what this means for future careers. This segment will discuss the dual nature of AI's impact on employment and how society can adapt to these changes. A closer look at AI's dual role in the job market will be taken, discussing not only job displacement due to automation, but also the new jobs created by AI developments, such as AI trainers, ethicists, and maintenance professionals. Offer insights into how workers can adapt to an AI-driven economy, including education and training recommendations. We've just explored 10 fascinating predictions about the future of AI. What do you think about these developments? Are you excited or concerned about the rise of AI? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to suggest topics for our next video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more intriguing insights from 10 Facts.